Check the name, example 1. That is the title we give to it. Title, example 1. So this title means what will be displayed on top of your browser. So if anyone visit this website now, they will be seeing example 1. So if you want to change it, you can change it here. That's what is in title. But where will you put this title? We put it inside head. You can see. Let me explain. After this dot type, you were not the one that typed it. Sublime helps you. After dot type, followed by HTML, followed by head. Now in this head, that is where the work starts. In the head, there are many things we can put in the head. As time goes on, we explain more. So after head here, we have title. So this is the title that will be on top of your website. When you are through with this title, you close it. You see, I close this head. That means I start the head here, I close the head here. When you are through, what is the next thing to do? Is body. That means we have like 3 sections inside this website. The first is the heading, the second is the body, and the last will be footer. Later, we'll show you. After this head, now we want to start body. So this is where all the website content will reside inside body. All right. So I've shown you how you can just run your a web page. Let's cross check what we've done now. What you do, Control S again, then come to your browser. I think you've already opened the web page. What will you do? Just refresh it. You see, it's still example 1. We've not modified anything. All right, let me give you one element. Let's just use this element like the example. Let's use P, which stands for paragraph. You see, whereas welcome to my example 1. All right, if you run this, you can see welcome to my example 1. Where is that P? You don't see it. I will explain that one better. Let's follow this. All right, now the next thing is element. What do you understand by elements? Elements are just what you enclose inside angle brackets that will give us different functionality. For example, P is an element which stands for paragraph. We have H1 is an element. We have H1, we have H2, we have H3, we have H4, we have H5, we have H6. That is the end. This stands for heading. Let me show you how you can use H. In your website, maybe you want to have heading, like a title. Inside your website, you want to talk about one topic, you want it to be in like heading. It should be bold, it should be big, like this. H1. This is the highest my blog topic. Let's Control S, then come to your browser, refresh it. You can see my blog topic. You see how it's big? If you use H2, the size will reduce. Let's check it. You can see if you use H3, it will still reduce. You get it? Alright, that is H element, H3 element. We have H4, we have H5, we have H6. We have almost 200 and more elements in HTML. So if I put EM is an element, I like this Sublime. When you put angle brackets, if you put A, you can see many elements that start with A. Put B, C, and others. Are you getting it? We'll discuss much on elements. Let's check the second thing here. Now we have attributes. Alright, the meaning of attribute is this. Let me use this P as an example. P. Yeah. In this P, P is like a paragraph. You want to write an essay, you write different paragraphs. You can have like 5 or 4 paragraphs. So one paragraph will start from P, end with P. Another paragraph, P, and end with P. How will you now generate a sentence? You want to just write rubbish, but this does not mean it has no meaning. There are two ways I will generate sentence for you now. You can just type less than L. You can see the first thing that brings Lorraine. Click on Lorraine. You can see this paragraph. You can see this text. Yes, I want to make use of it now. I want to use it now. This Lorraine starts from, let me show you. This Lorraine starts from here. This Lorraine starts from here. And in this one, there's one angle bracket here. Don't forget it. You need to remove it. Do not forget. Alright, now let's me firstly remove that. Yeah, you see everything turns black. Control S, that's to save. Come to display, refresh. You see, this looks like a paragraph. That is my first paragraph in my essay. If you copy, I copy it from this P to the end of P. I copy it. Come down, come down, come down. Paste it here. Control S. Then refresh. You can see the first paragraph starts here, it ends here. That means it's one paragraph. Another one starts here and ends here. That's another paragraph. That's why I have one, two. That's 2 paragraphs. If you want to have more paragraph, you start with another P. What is now the meaning of attributes? I'm going to show you many elements. Let's start with this attributes. Attributes are what you can find inside element tag. What can you find inside element tag? You can find ID, you can find style, and many more. So anything you can find inside the tag is called attribute. So like, let me reduce this paragraph and show you one attribute now. I reduce this paragraph. I reduce this paragraph. Let's run it now. Come to your browser, Control S. See, if you want this to come to the middle, how you do it is by applying paragraph and is by applying attributes. Which type of attributes? Align, center. Come here, refresh. You can see it comes to the center. For the second one, A, align, center. It comes to the center. Please don't forget, so my people in Nigeria, that this center, don't write it the way we write it. Write it the way I write it here. It's American spelling, not British. For our own Nigeria is this, but you need to use this so that it will work. Okay, now let me add more attributes. In this body, I told you that body is a website logo, the website content. In this place, you can put BG color red. That means BG stands for background color. You see, it turns to red. How will you now change this paragraph to white text? I want to change to white text. How will you change it to white text? What you do? Add